Hey Pitmasters, welcome back to another episode of Rule. For me, it all starts with a good story. Something that you want to do. And our channel is about barbecuing. Our channel, if you didn't know about it already, it's Pitmaster X. Check it out, the link's down below. It's about barbecuing, and what I do is I share with other people what I'm doing on the grill. I enjoy it so much, and I think if you want to start YouTubing, pick something you like doing. You see, today is Monday. Tomorrow's Tuesday and tomorrow's recording day. And for the main topic of tomorrow's recording, I selected this steak. This is a blank Angus steak. The intermuscular fat on this steak is freaking amazing. I selected something that I'm getting excited about. You want to start with something that personally you're invested in. And that's something that you can then give to the audience. So once you have selected that main topic, you need to start thinking about what's the story surrounding that main topic. What does this steak have that makes it special? If you watched last week's video, you know we put together this pizza oven. And that's what I want to use as the backstory to the steak. I want to figure out what it's like to cook a steak in a pizza oven. And now that I have my recipes written down, it's time to give a quick call to my cameraman, Morsen.
I'm in the car right now, yeah. So what's going on?
I want to record a video tomorrow about a steak and whether it's a good idea to put the steak in a pizza oven.
In the pizza oven?
Yes, sir. So now, all I got to do the rest of the day is enjoy the sun. Eat that, millennials. It's Tuesday, it's around 9 o'clock now, it's recording day, and look at this beautiful weather that we've got. Hey, hello.
How are you doing?
Morning. Ready?
Yeah.
And yesterday Morsen turned my recipe into a script. Now the script doesn't really say anything about you have to say this and you have to say that. The only thing that it says is that we're going to make this shot with this camera angle and it's about this subject. That's it. If I would have a script that told me exactly what to say, well, for me personally it doesn't feel real. So I just need a little pointer and then I just go. Now all of our gear is set up. Let me show you around. Of course we got the grill ready. And we're starting off with another video but we need some marination time. And what we don't do in our show is, like, if it needs 4-hour marination time, have something come in that we marinated up front, or we just do the whole thing, well, as is. The lights.
We use 3-point lighting. It's basic. It's basic, but very effective. You just use one in the corner, one in another corner, and you need some top light. So, you know, in your worst case scenario, it's getting dark, it's cloudy or whatever, you're always gonna have light surrounding the main objective. And the main objective is the food. If I have food lying right here, there's like hardly any shade around it. I would rather buy good lighting in my first ever purchase to go on YouTube than buying a good camera. It's the S1H, got a 24 lens on it.
24 to 105.
Yeah, it's very powerful because you can do almost anything with it. I can film up close, I can film from a distance, I can get those really nice close-ups, those like the slow motion that I always do. But also I can do an interview, for example. So if you want a startup lens, I love this one.
Maybe we could put a list of everything that we use in the video description.
List down below.
I've got a little leftover steak from the first video. Let's see how she reacts to a little bit of Wagyu A5 BMS 12 steak. Look at the quality of this steak. Look at it. Seriously. Lekker. Lekker. I mean, come on. You want steak or not? Oh, you want it. Alright. Toch wel lekker, meisje? Hey? Toch wel lekker? Ja. Lekker. Yeah, that's a good girl. You like steak, don't you? Yes. It's just ridiculous having a dog that's thinking, should I get up for this steak? I don't know. Maybe I'll just wait until it's cooked. So we're now halfway through the shoot and I'm having so much fun with this pizza oven. I just had to share it. Look, we got this little tray in the back. Fire's going on there. Woo! Already baked some mushrooms and currently we've got onion in there. Woo! We're gonna be cooking this steak. Oh, this is gonna be so good. And even Morrison is hungry.
It's taking a long time, Paul. I'm just hungry.
Look at our beautiful plate. Oh, beautiful steak. Mushrooms, tomatoes, onions, all the good stuff. It's all on this plate. And now we're going to do the taste test. And then we're going to wrap this whole video up. But
It's too long. What are you doing?
what am I doing? People
Why
want
are
to see
you
this.
talking?
What? Why?
Get that camera away, man.
No, man.
I'm the storyteller.
Oh, the bread, Morrison. The bread. Save the bread. Save the bread. Get it out.
Oh.
Oh, you, come on.
Oh no.
You burned the bread.
Oh.
Morrison, why did you burn the bread? Thank you for your comment. Hope to see you guys next time. Until then,
Eet smakelijk.
and keep on grilling.
And so, this is what really happened.
This is what, yeah. And then we calm down a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, but it takes a while.
So this is how we make our YouTube videos. And this is like the recording part of it. Morrison, do you have some last wise words before we're closing off this part of this video?
Advice for all the creators?
Yeah, for all the creators.
Just don't take our advice, just do something.
Eva, do you want a piece of steak? Do you want a piece of steak? It's really important that you get this piece of steak, right? Do you see the difference when she's eating a raw steak or when it's cooked? Morning, guys. This is the moment that we're going to our editor Jim, and always a good moment because we get to take the Tesla for a ride. But you've been barking all night, didn't you? Barking all night. Are you hiding? Are you hiding? Yes, you've been barking all night, haven't you? Big machines, riding out the manure on the fields, kept you busy. She's gonna be sleeping all throughout the day. So let's go to gym, leave the dog behind. She's so sad. There's one thing that I forgot to talk about before we get to gyms, and that just might be the most important thing to know if you're starting a YouTube channel or if you're gonna make YouTube videos. Like, making a good YouTube video is one thing, but then you also have to have a good thumbnail and you have to have a good title. The video, if it's crap, nobody's gonna watch one of your videos ever again. But if you have a good video, they'll come back. So the good video is more of getting people to return, and the title and the thumbnail is there to get people to watch it. So all the people that make great videos but are lousy thumbnail makers and lousy title makers, I'm sorry. You want to see what I got? I got fresh made appelflappen. These things are so good. They're like a pastry dough filled with... Jim!
Hello!
There you go.
What is this?
Never arrive empty-handed.
Oh, that looks good.
It looks like really a lot of hard work, Jim.
It isn't really. Really easy to do.
Seriously, guys, look at the screen.
Those are like tiny little videos that I put together into the result. Currently busy on a very awesome video. I can't say much about it. It's secret still.
So basically that's what my life looks like. I give the video to Jim, or I don't give it to Jim. Morrison gives it to Jim.
Yep.
And then you edit it and it's like a big mystery box. Then the video comes out.
Exactly.
Big thanks to Jim because he edits it. Well, how long do you take to edit the videos?
Mostly like a day.
And so what's the one most important thing about an edit?
Ooh, that's a hard question actually.
Yeah.
For me, it's like the build up to a mystery, and then of course the result. So you have like 3 parts basically. Yeah.
Awesome, man. Hey, I really appreciate you editing our videos because they're freaking good since you came on to our YouTube channel. It was around September, October.
Yeah, exactly.
Man, videos got way better, so
That's great to hear. Yeah.
keep doing what you're doing.
Yeah, I will.
Alright, thanks man.
Thank you.
Jim's really relaxed about this whole editing thing, but it's one of the most important things that happens to a video because you've collected all of this raw footage and all of these raw things, and then you have to turn it into something that is the end result. So basically you have a bunch of clay and you're putting it together and start shaping it until you have an actual proper real good video. And that's a lot of work, and well, basically this is the moment to not screw it up. So if you want to make good videos, you definitely have to learn to do a proper edit. And Jim is a professional, but if you're not a professional, don't worry, just get your feet wet, do it, start editing on your phone, go to a laptop, maybe move on to a computer, start to learn difficult programs over time, but give yourself time. Start with an easy program and then maybe step by step move on to the more professional programs. But the most important thing is that you just keep on developing yourself until you can edit like a rock star, like Jim. This is cool, the construction crew is back and we're doing the second part of the renovation of the barbecue barn. So, and if you guys want an update on that, just let me know in the comment down below. Because if you want, we can have like a, I don't know, a whole story about what's going on in the bar and step by step how we're building this up. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how we make our YouTube videos. Yeah, if you have any questions, just list them down below and I'll try to answer them all. See you guys next time. Until then, oh, whoa, wait a minute. Please subscribe to this channel, it's a new channel, and give it a big thumbs up. Yeah. See you guys next time.